So when you talk about the mining, sustainability or the green mining remains a concern another, and a lot of focus being given on that particular topic. How BEML is focusing on that particular area, and what kind of innovations you have, if you can talk more about that.
As a company, as a responsible corporate, we are very aligned to the carbon emissions to make our planet a better place to live. And for that, the smart and green mining is the order of the day. As an equipment manufacturer, that too for the overburden removal, we have already started quite some time back when we gave the all-electric 180-ton excavator. And the second such equipment which is being designed, developed and delivered for the first time in the country is the 21 cubic meter rope shovel, which is under execution. We have already started supplying the aggregates, and it is a huge equipment. It has been broken down into 16 assemblies, and it is presently under assembly at site. And hopefully in the next 2 to 3 months, we will be able to commission that equipment. And that is again an all-electric rope shovel. Third is the equipment in the dump trucks, the 240-ton, another 405-ton, 190-ton dump truck, the 100-tonner. So these equipment we are using electric drive instead of a mechanical drive. On top of that, we are presently working on several solutions in our engine technology to provide, for example, multi-fuel engines, hybrid engines. Our engine with LNG is already under trials at MCL, 100-ton dump truck. These innovations are continuous process. For example, here when we were discussing, whether hydrogen can be used as a fuel.
Right.
So it came out that for dump trucks, because of the high torque requirement, probably it will not suit us, but maybe ethanol as a fuel will be better. So all these things are going on. We are contemplating these things. So this is going to be the future. This is the way BEML as an equipment manufacturer are going to play our role in sustainability and in our contribution towards a green and smart mining.
So what is the percentage of indigenization you did for the all-electric equipment, mining equipment specifically?
The all-electric mining equipment that I am talking about, the indigenization is of a very high level. Almost in mining equipment, it is around 90 or more than 90%. So even the component level, the child part level, and we have gone into that and have developed the Indian supply chain. And that has helped us in coming out with enhanced levels of indigenization.
How do you see the acceptance of all-electric vehicles, dump trucks?
In all-electric vehicles acceptance, since it is already there for quite some time now, the excavator I am talking about. And dump truck, I am not yet sure. I don't think any all-electric dump truck is present, but worldwide already an all-electric battery-operated dump truck has already been introduced. And for that, mines have to be designed in such a manner that at least 2.5 to 3 kilometers of the mine can be covered using that equipment with a cable connected. So there is a lot of acceptance for such kind of equipment. And the next step is when we get into the battery-operated or the hybrid, obviously it will be much better.
So coming to your best performing segment, that is the railways. So what sort of vision you have?
So railway is a very, very exciting vertical presently with the passenger transportation, commuter rail undergoing a paradigm shift, undergoing a total transformation. Looking at the railway vertical and looking at the metro, the growth potential is humongous. If I talk about the metro, currently BEML is already having an order book where at least 600 odd cars we have an order in hand. It is expected that wherever we have emerged L1 and all, another 300 odd cars will come to us very shortly. So that gives us a 900 car order book. which in itself is quite a wonderful volume for us. On top of that, presently the tenders which are out and which are expected to come in the next 6 months to 1 year, another 900 cars. So the space is huge for the metro. For the commuter rail, Vande Bharat, I expect once we complete the 10 rakes, we'll be doing some more trains. Similarly, we should be charting our course for developing our capability for aluminum trains shortly. We are looking at supporting more in terms of, the conventional coaches to the railways. And of course, the track machines. We have already delivered the first rail winding machine to be indigenously manufactured in India. 10 rakes we have delivered to the railway. So the overall opportunity size, if you look at, considering the tenders in the pipeline and all, it's a huge order. The size of more than 50,000 to 60,000 crore in the coming year or so. So railway and the defense sector will probably need the growth aspiration of BEML in the coming 4 to 5 years. That is what I can say.
Great. So 300 volume, what you are talking about the coaches, is it from the Chennai Metro?
600 plus 300, but it is not only Chennai Metro. There is another project which is there in the pipeline. And the projects in the pipeline which are already tendered out is the Mumbai line 456, plus Bhubaneswar, the metro stock is already out, the tender is already out. We will shortly have the Patna metro. So all these put together is a huge opportunity size of at least 1,800 cars in the coming 3 to 4 years.
Well, what is the investment you are making?
We have already started the work. In fact, during the visit of the Honorable Railway Minister, we did the groundbreaking ceremony of a new manufacturing facility in Bangalore only. And so their investment will be something around say 200 crore or something, and it will be a very modern facility. So it is from the point of view of enhancing the capability of the car manufacturing capability, the coach manufacturing capability, to augment it,
right,
to meet this requirement.
And when the bullet train, the dream of bullet train gets realized, and when the bullet train comes on track, how do you see BEML is going to get the market?
At present, it will not be correct on my part to say, but what we will gain is an enormous exposure to the best technologies, to the capability development and the confidence that it will give us. So the Vande Bharat sleeper itself has given us a lot of confidence, and once the bullet train we are able to come out with a proto, it's a proto development, then of course the learning itself will be so high that itself will be good enough for the BEML team to look at the international market then, so that we can compete with the best in the market.
As you are talking about BEML team, so what's the vision you are setting for them for the next 5 years or a decade?
The vision is very clear that we have to grow, we have to become big, and the aspiration is to reach 5 digits in terms of the top line and 4 digits in terms of the bottom line.
Thank you so much, sir. Great talking to you, and wish you all the best, and hope that you achieve all your targets.
Thank you.
Great talking to you.
Hello friends, if you enjoyed watching this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel for more awesome content.